Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. BamaCooley here. I'm in the middle of a dry lake bed in BFE, Utah, maybe somewhere an hour and a half away from Layton. Anyway, behind me is a customized Gen 3 Raptor that Sterling's Wild West is giving away for charity. So it's a charitable event, they're giving it away so you can enter to win, and I'll put all the information in the description. But we're going to go over this Raptor and what makes it unique and why you should try to win it. So let's go. All right, so this is a white Raptor, and everybody knows how I feel about white vehicles. However, right, wrong, or indifferent, being a Star Wars fan, if you're going to do a white vehicle, do it right. And this vehicle is done right. So, but before we get to the coloring, let me point out all the off-road trail lighting you get with this. This is fully installed, Baja Designs. Look at all the trail lighting. In the B-roll I have that I shot earlier, I have all this lit up so you can see it. It looks absolutely amazing. Now, you might not can see it too well, but this does come with a white upgraded top mount intercooler. So you want to keep this engine cool in the summertime. You want to make sure you don't lose any performance. And that white intercooler looks really badass with this white truck. Coming over here, it's hard to tell because we've been off-roading these already, but these are tinted. So, and that gives it more of the Stormtrooper look. Goes with the white and black. Up here, gloss black. This has been completely redone. It's gloss black. It's not the normal like you see on my Raptor or you see on the standard Raptors, that really dark gray. That you're like, well, why didn't they just make it black? Because the gray's so dark. But this is the gloss black. So it looks absolutely amazing. When you come around here to the side, body color fender flares. Yes. Got rid of the dark gray, body color fender flares. It absolutely looks amazing. Gloss black for the heat vents. Gloss black for the rear view mirrors. Like I said, if you're going to do it right. Gloss black on the roof going up here. This is a full Stormtrooper look, and it absolutely looks amazing. Again, white going all the way down. This is an awesome looking truck. It's a 37 package, which you still see the 37 package sticker right here. So you get the 37-inch tires, you get the Recaro seats, and you get all the extra lighting, and you get the full body paint job. So the fender flares look great. The heat vents, all the gloss black looks great, but that's not all. There is some modifications in the engine, and we're gonna go check them out. All right, everybody. Here is the twin turbo V6 EcoBoost from Ford. As you can see, you got the Ford Performance Raptor cover, 450 horsepower, 510 pound-feet of torque, standard engine. However, as I mentioned earlier, you do have the top mounted white intercooler to keep this engine cool. And you're also going to get the COBB air intake system. So you have an upgraded air intake system. You got the intercooler. So you do have more performance from this engine than what you would get from factory. So as a giveaway Raptor, this is a great deal. You get body color paneling, you get the gloss black painted, you get the Stormtrooper look, you get all the upgraded lighting, and of course you get the intercooler and you get the air intake. It's absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do now is we got 3 Raptors out here. We're gonna take them for a spin, let you see what it's like to drive them in this massive dry lake bed, and we're gonna have a good time with them. So come on, let's go give them the business. All right, so there you have it, everybody. All right, everybody. Besides looking awesome in these Oakleys and these Meta glasses, I am in the giveaway Raptor, and we're about to cut across this dry lake bed and have a good time with it and give it the business. So let's go. We are in Baja mode. As you can see right there, you can see the different colors. We're ready to go. My bad. This is freaking awesome. You shouldn't be allowed to have this much fun. That exhaust they've put on here sounds absolutely great. I don't know what slid in the back, but whatever. And give it the business coming out of the corner. Do I need to let the dust settle some? Should I try to hit it at 80 or so? You think that would be a good one? I hit it at 76, I think, last time.
Yeah, hit it at 80.
All right, everybody, jump number 2. We're ready, let's go. Doing 85, 86. We're gonna keep it at 85. Whoa, that was awesome. That was awesome. That was amazing. Let's go give them the business. All right, so there you have it, everybody. We drove and we reviewed the standard Raptor 3.5 EcoBoost with a lot of upgrades, which is the giveaway Raptor for Sterling's Wild West. And then we also reviewed and drove the Raptor R with a 3.8 liter Whipple supercharger pushing close to 1,000 horsepower. It was amazing. I've never driven one like this and I absolutely loved it. And now I'm figuring out what body organs I can sell to get enough money to get one. So special shout out to Sterling's Wild West. They do a lot of truck mods here. They're giving away this particular Raptor for charity, and it's a great cause. They're a great group of people, and their motto is God, family, and country. And it's a great motto, and that's exactly what they live by. So now we're about to leave because it'll probably be getting dark soon, and everybody's out here freezing in this dry lake bed in Utah. So remember, if you catch yourselves in the back roads of Tijuana or on a dry lake bed in Utah and you have a fun car or truck to drive, go ahead and give it the business and have a good time with it. We'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one, everybody.